Hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. Yes, I know it has been a while, but life happens. But what matters is that you continue. So today I'm bringing to you guys a quick day in the life with me. I'm pretty much working from home right now, so I pretty much have to do everything around work, the kids, laundry, food, and everything. So today I need to fold out laundry, and I'm also got more laundry going on. So today's laundry life. So I just want you guys to come along with me. Hopefully this motivates you all to do some little light things around the house. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload, guys. So I will see you guys later. Bye. Okay. All right. So yeah, I have so much that I need to do, but I can't get it done because the kids are always fighting, always yelling. I have two boys and a girl. So the two boys, one is 5 and one is 4, and my daughter is 2. It is never ending fights, crying, mess, spills, just utter madness in my house. So you'll see crying. You'll hear crying in the background. My husband is watching them right now, and it's just frustrating. Sometimes I could record. There's plenty of time that I have picked up my camera and I was ready to vlog our day and how things are going, but it just ends up in a meltdown. My kids will have a meltdown that is a traumatizing meltdown. So, and I will not show that on camera. I feel like that would be really insensitive of me as a parent to show my children having a meltdown. So working on trying to get them back to, not letting them have this meltdown, it takes a lot. So after that, I don't want to pick up the camera. I'm tired, I'm frustrated. So the last thing I want to do is pick up a camera and front that, oh, everything is okay and this is what we're doing today. We're going to do arts and crafts. We're going to do this and that. But in actuality, I just want to sleep. I'm exhausted. I work full time. So when I come home and I have a little bit of energy to pick up the camera and vlog, the kids come first. So I have to take care of them. And even if I say, okay, let me put on the camera so you guys can see how our day is after work or stuff like that, it's just, I will be there editing till next week. It will take me about 2 weeks to finish editing. I'm not the best in editing. All the other videos that has been posted on the channel is my husband editing. So, but I have to make sure that I know how to edit properly so that I'm not having a video that runs 2 hours long. So yeah, I don't know. I'm rambling. I'm supposed to be doing laundry. I'm supposed to be folding this stuff away and putting it away. I still have like 2 more bags to do. I have the kids' blanket going. I have this thing with my washer and dryer, guys. I am so scared to run the washer and dryer at the same time. Leave a comment down below if you are like me. I feel like I'm crazy, but I just feel like as soon as I run them at the same time, it's going to break. They're brand new washer and dryer. Touch screen and everything. No knobs. I don't know. I just have this whole thing with I can't run it at the same time. So I wait. I wash maybe two batches at a time. Like I wash two times and then I will dry those clothes. So that's how I work. So I'll do the first wash and then put it in the dryer. Don't run the dryer. Do the second wash, and then when that's done, then if I have enough space in the dryer, because it's a full size wash and dryer, so I will put the rest of the clothes and I would probably run the dryer twice, or maybe depend when the dryer is done. I'll see if the clothes are still damp, and then I'll run it again for whatever our clothes is still damp. But usually they're not damp, so that's how I do it. I don't know why I do this. I don't want anything breaking during Corona times. I don't want anything breaking. Then we're gonna have to get someone to come and fix it, come in the house, and the kids and all that stuff. So I'm trying to avoid all that. But honestly, before that, I didn't do it. I didn't run them at the same time. But yeah, I'm so rambling on. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go any further with what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna put it away in the kids' closet, and then the rest I'm not doing today. It's supposed to be a motivational situation going on today, but I'm not doing it today. I have to make dinner now, and my kids are probably going to start crying because they don't want to eat it. They'd rather have snacks all day long. They would rather eat snacks all day long. They will have applesauce. What else do they like? Go-gurts, applesauce, chips, the skinny popcorn, and Nutella sandwiches. And I'm in the kitchen making rice, chicken, veggies, or baked lasagna, baked macaroni and cheese, spinach, an African spinach meal that we make, pounded yams that we make, eba for the Nigerians that knows about eba, you know what I'm saying? With the okra, with my kids are, they would want me to make every day, all day long. If they, other than eating snacks, they would eat okra soup, African style, with eba. That's what they will eat. I can't do that every day. It's too much starch. And all the other things I've mentioned is a lot of starch, but that's just a lot. So yeah. Yeah, guys, so I don't know if this is going to be the end of the vlog, but if it is the end of the vlog, I really hope you do subscribe to the channel. And there's going to be a lot of nonsense going on in the background with the kids being very hyped. Oh, okay, I thought I didn't hear them. I thought maybe my husband took them out to the backyard, but they're still downstairs. Yeah, so if this is not the end of the vlog, if I have a little bit more to show you guys, but if it is the end of the vlog, so please do not forget to subscribe to this channel right here. Leave a comment down below if you can relate to any of the things that I have mentioned today. And that's just me being honest and raw. I really am not the type of person that know how to fake it. So if I'm not feeling it, I can't do it. You know, if I'm not feeling it, I can't do it. If I can't give my 100%, I don't even want to like try it. But yeah, so if you could relate, leave a comment down below. Ring the bell so that you do know when we do upload. I will really work on my consistency. I say that a lot, but the more I say it, the more I kind of like have to own it. So which is what I want to do. I really love sitting in front of the camera and talking. I love conversation, even though we're not doing like a dialogue, but leaving the comments in the description, in the comment section, we'll get our dialogue going. All right, so thank you so much for staying put and listening to my ramble. And I do hope that you come back next time and see what we have to offer. So thank you so much, guys. Have a good one. Bye.